Surgical errors are another very common type of medical malpractice that we see. There's always the obvious surgical errors that people think of, operating on the wrong leg, removing the wrong organ. However, there are some subtle claims that can be brought under surgical errors that people often don't realize. There are a lot of complications that come from surgical errors, creating bleeding, which can cause hematomas, nerve damage, paralysis. There's lots of things that can happen during surgical procedures that people may not think about, and they may think as just a risk that may be inherent with that surgery. So that's where it is important to also have an attorney who understands informed consent claims, because a lot of times with surgical errors, it overlaps with claims for informed consent. While a patient may consent to having a surgery and they may be explained the risks that come along with that surgery or the complications they may experience, sometimes the surgical errors that happen are outside of those risks. They're outside of the conditions that a patient may expect to have. There are a lot of things that can happen under the surgery table. There's a saying that, no surgery is a small surgery, because complications truly can happen almost at any time. You need a skilled medical provider who is adhering to the standard of care, again, to ensure that these types of surgical errors do not occur.